Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best dual drawer air fryers available on the market. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or a premium powerhouse for family meals, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Chefman 6-quart dual basket air fryer oven. This is the budget-friendly option on our list, priced at just $84.99. But don't let the price fool you. This air fryer offers some impressive features. With its dual 3-quart baskets, you can cook 2 different dishes simultaneously, making it perfect for smaller households or quick side dishes. Plus, the sink finish function ensures both baskets complete cooking at the same time, which is great for convenience. The design is compact and sleek, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or dorm rooms. One standout feature is the easy view windows, which allow you to monitor your food without opening the baskets. The temperature range goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, giving you plenty of versatility for frying, roasting, or reheating. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the non-stick, dishwasher-safe baskets. However, it's worth noting that this model has a smaller total capacity compared to others on this list, and its build quality is more focused on affordability. If you're just stepping into the world of air frying and want a simple, budget-friendly option, the Chefman 6-quart dual basket air fryer is a fantastic pick. Just don't expect it to handle larger family meals efficiently. At number 4, we have the Chefman TurboFry Touch Dual Air Fryer. This model elevates the game with its 9-quart capacity split between 2 baskets, making it ideal for families or meal preppers. The sink finish feature ensures that your main dish and sides are ready at the same time, while the shake reminder helps you achieve that perfect golden crisp without overcooking. The TurboFry Touch stands out with its user-friendly interface. The one-touch digital controls make selecting your cooking mode a breeze, and the built-in presets cover everything from baking to air frying. The design is robust yet sleek, with a durable aluminum build and convenient stay-cool handles. And with its auto shutoff and overheat protection, safety is a top priority. That said, it lacks some of the advanced features like smart finish or multiple cooking racks found in higher-end models. Additionally, its max temperature is slightly lower at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. But at $119.99, this air fryer offers a great balance between affordability, features, and performance. It's perfect for anyone who wants more capacity without stepping into premium pricing. Taking the 3rd spot is the COSORI 9-quart 10-in-1 dual air fryer. Known for its versatility and ease of use, this model is a standout choice for families and health-conscious cooks. With 2 4.5-quart baskets, it offers a total capacity of 9 quarts, perfect for preparing balanced meals like proteins and veggies simultaneously. The sink cook and sink finish features are a game changer, ensuring your meals are cooked evenly and on time. The COSORI shines in its functionality, offering 10 cooking modes, including air fry, roast, broil, and even dehydrate. It also comes with 130-plus recipes to inspire your cooking adventures. The max temperature, the 450 degrees Fahrenheit, ensures a crispy and delicious finish. And cleanup is a breeze with its dishwasher-safe baskets. The build quality is solid, with durable aluminum and non-stick coatings that feel premium, while it's slightly heavier than some competitors. Weighing in at 19.2 pounds, the COSORI is a reliable workhorse. At $169.99, it's a great mid-range option for families who want versatility and ease of use without breaking the bank. If you prioritize healthy, balanced meals and love experimenting with recipes, this one's for you. At number 2, we have the Ninja DZ201 Foodie 8-quart 6-in-1 Dual Zone Air Fryer. This model is perfect for families who want flexibility and efficiency in their cooking. With 2 4-quart baskets and the innovative dual zone technology, you can cook 2 types of food simultaneously, each with its own temperature and settings. The smart finish and match cook features are particularly handy, allowing you to sync cooking times or duplicate settings for larger batches. The Ninja DZ201 is also a versatile powerhouse with 6 cooking modes: air fry, roast, bake, broil, reheat, and dehydrate. It boasts a wide temperature range of 105 degrees Fahrenheit to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it ideal for everything from crispy fries to perfectly roasted vegetables. Cleanup is easy with dishwasher-safe baskets and crisper plates, and the stainless steel build ensures durability. At $183.99, the Ninja DZ201 offers excellent value for its features and build quality. The only downside is that it's slightly bulkier than some competitors, so you'll need adequate counter space. Overall, it's an excellent choice for busy households that need a reliable, high-performing air fryer. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ninja Air Fryer 10QT Double Stack XL. This is the premium option on our list, and it's no surprise why. With its massive 10-quart capacity and innovative double-stack design, this air fryer is perfect for large families or those who love to entertain. You can cook 2 5-pound chickens simultaneously, and the stacked meal racks let you cook up to 4 different foods at once. What sets this model apart is its space-saving design. It's 40% slimmer than traditional dual-basket air fryers, making it a great fit under standard kitchen cabinets. The smart finish and match cook features make multitasking a breeze, and the 450-degree Fahrenheit max temperature ensures perfectly crispy results. The build quality is top-notch, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup hassle-free. Priced at $249.95, this air fryer is a serious investment, but it delivers unmatched performance and capacity. If you're looking for the ultimate air fryer for family-sized meals or entertaining, the Ninja Double Stack XL is the clear winner. It's versatile, efficient, and built to last, making it the best dual-drawer air fryer on the market today. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the perfect dual-drawer air fryer for your needs. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions about these air fryers, drop a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next one.